What's going on, guys? My name is Zero, and welcome back to MinXy's Tornado Survival Series, Season 1, Episode 19 for me, I believe it is, episode like 3,500 for MinXy. So today we are being surrounded by about 50 groups of zombies, and today we are working on the NWS office again, but the interior this time. MinXy and Distillery are working on the mine, I believe, for them.
The coolest railroad you will ever see.
Yeah, but I have building layouts planned.
Spoiler.
You can see them there. All of them. And it looks so amazing. But yeah, we're gonna go kill the zombie and make us some armor.
Don't come to it yet until we're done.
Alright.
Yeah, no, like, this is gonna be epic.
That was
It'll
gonna be
ruin it,
upsetting
it'll
if he
ruin
hit me. Yeah. But yeah, today is going to be a very nice, oh my god, a very nice episode.
Oh my gosh. We have increased mobs on, by the way, so dying is very common.
Yeah, right
Go away.
after he gets done saying
Dude, that thing
dying
just
is very
fell on me.
common.
It scared me so bad.
So, lava and magma, yeah, epic. It's really cool looking. And then we're gonna transition this into water, and then, yeah, the rest of the part up is gonna
Hey,
be
Boom, do you need iron armor?
it's gonna be water. So we're gonna put
Okay,
some
you need
ice.
diamond armor.
Transition like we did that.
Here, I'm
Yeah,
gonna give you my diamond armor.
Alrighty,
Oh, gosh.
so I have the things ready in my inventory for this interior design, and then I worked on
Boom,
some
do you
buildings
want
over
my
here.
iron armor?
Or layouts, at least, for future episodes.
I think it's gonna be up there on my stuff back. Nope.
Are you sure?
Alright,
Where was
Oh,
that?
come on.
so here's the plan. We put TVs there,
Go make sure that wasn't like anything important.
and then...
What?
Like, go make
There.
sure you didn't blow up like the whole
That's
entire like,
nice.
village or
I
something.
like
Where?
that.
Throw up in the water.
The surface. Oh, it was in the water? Okay, good. You're good. I was
Okay.
just saying.
Only thing that might
I really would hate for like the whole thing to blow up as we're doing
No,
this.
we don't do that.
Drops in the mine and blows up. Oh,
I'd cry, dude. I'd legit
charge scraper
cry.
doing that, bro.
Hold up. Let's do this here, because that
Somebody's
was...
You want some more meat already? Jeez. Guess I'm ready to make these animals.
Ooh. Ooh.
I'm getting dirty with it.
I meant the
That's a
dogs, dude.
skeleton skull for 8 emeralds. I like that.
Some of these dogs are ready to like mate.
Enchantment book for 8 emeralds. Okay, let's go get our
they?
emeralds
Yeah.
and see like how this works.
I'll
Okay,
just
stand them- I'm gonna
unship
stand
all
them
of them.
Because this actually
Those
looks
two are
very
definitely-
interesting.
Don't worry, the one important
those
thing
two.
I have is not blown up by the creeper.
Oh.
It might have been now.
Okay, let's go see how
Oh,
this
whenever
Eat
works.
up, little one. It's still standing.
Oh. Oh no. Why?
Oh no.
Stopping. The
It's-
server just stopped.
I just crashed the server.
Satan, what did you do?
What'd you do?
I went to buy something on Minebay, dude. What the hell?
You just
Okay.
crashed my server.
I'm just gonna leave this part of the recording up.
Wait,
I'll
what did
catch
you
you guys
buy?
whenever
I,
this is done.
I bought an enchantment book and it said server closed.
Well, guys.
I'm upset about that, not gonna lie. I said, let's see how this works. Server closed.
Dude, that thing just went crash.
No way, what a hacker.
Oh
crashed it.
no, dude. Okay, computers are still experimental.
We'll be back right after this short break.
Yeah, we'll be
Sitting
back
here for
right
an
after
hour.
these. Oh no.
What was that, Boom?
We're sitting here for an hour waiting for it to restart.
I know, dude. The fact that the server just crashed because of Zayden is kind of not low-key so annoying. I was about to go place more lava, too. Like, come on, man.
Remember what happened?
My time is back.
I may have deleted MinXy's server.
If you did, I'm gonna kill you. I'm literally gonna kill
Can you
you.
imagine how long we spent on that?
Bro, we literally just started doing the coolest design ever, and Zayden just goes, yeah, yeet, and throws it.
You even
Bro,
got the
I'd
achievement for
legit
that.
cry.
Oh
I
yeah,
literally
Oh,
cry.
Let me
Zayden
just
destroyed the server by buying enchanting book. Imagine that.
Imagine being
Enchantment
Zayden.
book. I wonder what it was. I wonder if it like you log on, it just says death and it crashes the server again.
Watch it be like
Freaking,
every enchantment
like,
in the
Fortune
game.
10,000 or something.
Jesus, Atronos, you can't even accept a trade. Like, god damn.
The server is currently restarting.
All right, Crayfish, you might want to work on that.
Crayfish, don't blame him. Blame you.
I'm going on my
Yeah,
own
no, don't
world.
blame
Hold on,
me.
hold on. I'm going on my.
Taking off the mod.
Shut up,
Alright,
everybody. I'm
Zayden.
going on my own world and trying this again, and I
No,
might
no.
break Minecraft.
And see, his game crashes and he deletes System 32 again.
I'm okay. That
Imagine.
could possibly happen if you really think about it. I'd be
Yo,
so
I would-
upset.
Yo, for 100 subs, or for 1,000 subs, I dare Zayden to delete System 32 on like an important.
No, thank you. I did
If he
that
deleted
once.
System 32, I'd buy him a new PC.
Hey, what if
Wanna
he had
bet?
to delete his YouTube channel if he didn't do it?
I'll delete my YouTube channel. I don't care. I'll just start a new one and tell everybody about it. All right, computer, emeralds.
survival.
All right, guys. All right, guys.
Oh,
Let's
no.
see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right. I have a computer. I have emeralds in. Let's go buy an enchantment book. Bada bing, bada boom. It worked. It worked. It actually
explodes.
worked. I'm not even joking. It worked on here. What?
Watch me
Zayden,
lose
now
all our
you know
stuff.
what not to do, right? So, back up.
Wait, the
That's why you
enchantment
don't
is
do
Silk Touch. Okay.
What was the enchantment you were trying to trade for?
I don't even know. It just said enchanted book, so I bought it.
Protection 100.
Oh god, I'm
Hey,
dead.
server's back on, boys.
Over there.
It is. All right, let's try and get Silk Touch one more time.
Logging in. Everyone's dead.
Oh! Ah!
Thank
Hey,
God.
Boom might be dying. Boom's dead.
I'm gonna try this one more time.
So many!
Okay.
How about we don't try that again?
How about you just leave the villager alone? Leave the dang villager alone. He didn't like that, clearly.
I got Silk Touch, guys. All right, let's buy one more thing. It worked.
Imagine getting Silk Touch.
Imagine, dude.
Imagine being me and crashing an entire server just trying to buy something off of Mine Bay.
One click, not even opt. Crash his server. Hey, this is my first day in Minecraft. Server
Guys,
dies.
I can get Bottle O
Crashes
enchanting.
a-
I can get Bottle O enchanting for 1 iron, and you guys know how many stacks of
No,
iron I have.
stop. Stop buying
No, dude,
things.
no, you're
Stop
actually gonna
that.
No,
crash it.
Stop.
no,
You're-
I I already tried again and it
Yo,
worked,
I'm
okay?
trying to record. I'm about to start recording again.
Hold up. Okay, I'm going to see how many bottles of enchanting I can get. I'm not even joking. I can get like a stack. All right.
Dude, no, I would highly suggest you not do that.
Can you don't? Oh, this is so not
Can you
cheating.
like not crash the server for now?
We're gonna need more stuff.
Oh my god!
Zayden!
My god.
You're so lucky.
Zayden!
I didn't record. You're so lucky.
Okay, we're gonna stop. We're
Buy
getting rid of
another
this.
thing and
Okay,
I'm
guys,
kicking you
this
off
is the
my
second
server.
time that the server crashed by Zayden trying to buy some
You know
stupid
what?
stuff.
Bye, Zayden. Bye, Zayden.
No,
See you
no.
later.
Minx.
Bye,
No.
Zayden.
We
No.
need to just
Bye.
No, please
Bye.
no. Please no. Please no.
No, he's muted. I'm not dealing with him.
No, do not buy stuff. That's all you have to do.
Okay, I'm
This is
taking down the
hard to understand, Zayden. We went over this.
The
thing
thing
is
we
he
said
doing?
not to do.
I
He
muted
does
Minxy.
it.
I muted Minxy. I actually muted Minxy. He started going off and I just muted him. I can't breathe. Oh my god.
Wow, Minxy.
Have anything to say?
This will be a
Okay, he's
great
going back on
recording.
mute.
Zayden, after Zayden has the magic touch, crashes any server he goes to.
I'm gonna use that on me and Hayden's server. When Hayden did that, he spam clicked it and it worked and it was fine. I don't know if Mace just has a garbage server or something.
Parents said these 2 words. Not appropriate.
What do you mean?
My bro, you can't crash your server, son.
Wanna bet?
Okay, you know what you guys need to do? You know what we need to do?
Buy a better server.
No, we just need to take away the computer you built.
Yeah, I'm gonna
We
take them
should
down
not
after
let
this.
Zayden know.
Or actually, I'm gonna leave them
No.
up just for the aesthetic and looks.
No, you're gonna take them down, or else I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, Minxy, you don't have say for what I do
You know
in my
what?
village
I'm gonna
that
find that villager.
doesn't
and
mess with the
slaughter him.
server.
Fire aspect 2. And I have a sharp 5 that will be used on your brain.
and I have
I-
multiple
no, on the
traps hidden in my
villager.
village.
The villager.
I will bring my whole dog pack on you. Dog pack? Oh god.
Yeah,
The
okay, that
wolf
diamond,
pack.
my diamond sword's just gonna get more XP.
Oh!
Zayden, I have a prot 4 end set. You're not gonna win this fight.
Well,
Hey,
you're not
Zayden,
burning
guess
down
what?
my village.
Oh, thanks for not letting me on. Hey, Zayden, I might just have to kill that villager.
There is no villager, it's a computer.
It's a
idiot.
computer.
He's been calling it
You
a
are
villager
actually
the whole
deaf.
time. My god. Alright,
not talk about that.
Okay, can you not buy any more things, please?
I will not, okay? I'm just gonna use these bottle of enchantings. Crashes server.
I'm already at 11 minutes because of your stupid
The fact
thing.
that you crashed it twice, I mean, you're very likely to crash it again.
Wanna
I
bet?
don't trust him at all. I don't trust him in any way, shape, or form.
That's
He does it
why
again,
you
I'm
don't
leaving. I'm not
use.
recording tonight. If you...
That's why you don't use sketch websites.
That's why you don't do that.
Zane, you're the one that was obsessing over Atros. Oh my god, after this, you can use it for tornado web. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
And then when I told you this, you thought it was the holy grail of everything that's ever existed.
What's up?
Okay, it's
Server's
back
up.
on. Oh my god. Zayden, you do another damn thing and crash the server, we're gonna have some issues, mate.
Mate. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you for downloading Mr. Crayfish.
Oh no.
Yeah, thank you. very
Excuse
much.
me? Hold on. Something's wrong.
Yeah, you.
Oh god. Yeah, you?
Oh, yeah, me.
What'd you do?
Never mind. I'm back. All right, let's break
Oh,
that
okay,
computer.
I was about to say,
Buy
like,
another damn
He has like the
thing.
button,
Uh-oh.
the big red
Oh,
button that says
God.
crash server,
did.
and he like presses it again.
No, it's literally just a thing. It's literally just a freaking
I
computer.
might crash the server.
Our
Just warning
computers
you.
can't even run a computer. Our computers can't even run a Minecraft computer. How sad is that?
Because it's a Core i3.
I'm gonna need a few more things than I have now.
Boomer, wait, what? What are you gonna need?
I thought he called him a boomer. My God.
Boomer, what do you need?
Boomer, what do you need? Yeah, okay, boomer.
Wait, boom, go to Zayden's village and go get
Or
stuff from him
helmet.
because he's the one that's
Maybe
killed
destroy
four
his
times.
computer by accident. Oh.
I put it in the chest. It's gone. All right, there.
What about the test of like dying and like not
Boom,
there?
go to Zayden's village.
Why mine?
Because he's gonna grab stuff from you because you've killed him twice now because of that.
Okay, nah, you have to ask. Like, that's not okay. Seriously.
You've killed him twice.
You didn't kill me
Not
twice,
on
but mobs
purpose.
killed me twice.
Oh, they killed you more than just twice.
No, I saw that death.
They
Yeah,
done did him dirty. That's a full
Okay, I got
chainmail
more
zombie.
lava. This
I'm
should be
upset
enough
about
to
that.
Finish the bottom.
Can I turn on TVs without crashing this server?
Don't even try it.
Mm-mm.
I don't want to even
Nothing
test.
with Mr. Crayfish.
Too late. It don't even work. You have to put in a link. I'm not doing that.
Nice one.
All right, we're gonna set up some Christmas trees.
Because I can't sprint jump, that's why.
Oh yeah, still his sprint joke broke. Oh, that's so funny.
Oh god. We're just gonna leave it
Yeah,
at
I
this.
can't play
It's
the
not-
game normally though. I
NWS
still haven't
Office or
restarted.
KSPU doesn't really need much. It's fine. We have nothing on the radar. Anyways, well, that's that building done. Now what do we work on? I don't know. How about we
That's really scary.
work on the brewing area thingy. We're not gonna talk about that.
Yeah, we're not gonna talk about anything that Zayden's done in the last 5 minutes.
That
I'd
was longer
push
than
it to
5
10.
minutes.
So where do I go?
To Zayden's village.
Okay,
Then you
actually.
should go check out his village and tell me how it is.
Does he know how to get there?
Yeah, no, you just teleport there. I have console.
Oh, it's
So I think the
underground.
thing is, that's why we need to do water when
You're
we're getting
in
off.
the,
Like, I think we need
You're
to have like a blocker right here, and we need to have water right here.
I'll get you out.
Because there's no
Just
way
throw
we're
it
gonna
in
be able
water.
to get out.
Get out of the blacksmith.
Yeah,
No,
actually,
there's no
come
way
on.
we're gonna be able to get out.
No, that's true.
Hey.
I know.
Oh, you went through there. Just keep going through. Oh,
Okay.
wait. Wait, come back.
All right.
Where you at?
Sorry about that.
Hold on.
Didn't crash the server twice, but we're back on. For good, hopefully.
I hate
For
this.
not, I'm
Aiden
gonna be
buys
really
another
mad.
thing, and I'm literally gonna die inside.
So we're finishing up the lava, and we're gonna.
You wanna come
put
get the
water.
lava with me?
Sure, I just need some buckets.
These are
We have
outlays for more
iron after
buildings.
this. We need to go mining again after this.
Yeah,
we
it's
need to go
fine.
mining next episode.
That's fine. This has been really interesting from the amount of times we crashed to the amount of epicness that
And take 5.
this thing is.
Take 5.
Why was that funny? What?
I don't know. Because
Oh yeah, I
it
can't
is.
sprint jump. I
So
literally can't.
triggered.
I can't even do it.
Can you not do?
Must suck to
I
suck.
can't sprint jump because it's broken.
He can't Minecraft. He can't Minecraft, guys.
Aw, poor hostility. Sucks to suck.
Okay.
I heard that.
Oh my god! That no need to get violent, like, dude. No.
Why can't I?
Dude, that
oh
scared me so
my,
bad.
dude,
Yeah, sounded like it.
Bro, that creeper fell right on me.
He went.
Alright.
I saw everything.
I heard
I was about
everything.
to warn you too. Dude, that was even funnier because he just turned around.
Oh my
Do you have full
god.
buckets?
MinXy is my
I have full
blockets.
bonkets.
Buckets. Wait,
I
you mean
can't even
Whoa!
run.
Epic games.
Sprint jump.
You mean spunkets?
Oh, I don't like the sound of
Ah,
that.
dude, it's so good.
Okay, we can just stop right there.
I just broke that torch.
No, duh, you just made it.
The what was that?
Huh?
Oh no.
We need Brandon to get on to finish our spider farm.
We need Brandon to get on to like save us all.
We need
Save our
Zayden to
souls.
just leave so he doesn't crash the server again.
Oh yeah, definitely Brandon do.
No, remember it's 2 blocks. There's a 2 block
I
spread.
know.
Alright, I think that's good. That's good.
And then we'll
Or
block
well,
it
we
off.
can do 2 here.
Look, no.
Yes, it's
Okay.
fine.
Hot. Oh, ouch, ow, ooh, ow, ow.
We have an infinite water source. No, magma blocks, remember?
Yes. Hold on.
Does anyone have any food I can have?
Yeah, you can have some mine.
How far up is it going? Like a full thing? Alright, from here on, and then... Yeah, hold on. Let me get this section.
I just put obsidian in our thing. I'm so smart.
Yes, you aren't. Just kidding.
Alright.
Alright, put the water in that.
Hopefully it
no.
doesn't.
Alright, this will
Remember?
be one
Oh,
brewing
you're doing
area.
it up there?
Or brewing area number 1,
Okay.
Yeah.
then brewing area
That's
number
fine.
2.
Kettle. Well,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's fine, dude.
That
oh,
exit.
bro. That's fine.
Ow.
Alright. That's sick.
Alright.
Let's like, play this. Alright, so we're gonna do the top section. Do we have ice?
No, we need a silk touch.
Oh. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video for now. Because we don't have the materials fully to get... Oh my gosh, I can't get up. We don't have the materials fully to finish up the top.
Do you have
Wait, you wanna-
redstone torches?
Hey, you wanna ride it?
Yeah, I
yeah,
do.
I do.
I have a
I have
minecart.
25 here.
Can you?
Here, I dropped
Oh,
them.
sick.
I'll go on this side. Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Put it right there.
3, 2, 1.
Alright. Bruh. Oh,
Oh my
there's a
God.
minecart in front of me. Oh, dang it. The outside.
I
What
think
did I
you
just get?
burn. You
I
do
just
take a little
burnt
bit of
it.
damage.
I just burnt my minecart. The
That's why we need
minecarts
to
are
do
burning.
water. What do you mean?
The minecart burnt.
Like while you were writing it, or you picked it up?
Yeah, while I was writing it. We're gonna have to fix that in the next episode.
No, it's right
for
here.
me.
It's right here.
No, wait, that's a different one. I have one in my inventory that I was writing. Alright, that's basically it
Wait.
for today's episode. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.
Alrighty, well, yeah, basically what Nostality said. That's it for today's episode. Next episode, we will be working more on the brewing stand building, nether building
Ow.
thing, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, see, my bad.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy
No,
the
it's
content I make,
okay. I know exactly where it is.
if you do enjoy the content I make, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. And I'll see you guys next time.
Wait, so I know exactly.